Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, January 2nd, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video to go over our LiveGood team. All right, maybe you're not familiar with everybody who is involved with LiveGood, but so I thought it'd be a good idea just to go over this briefly, okay? As you can see here, this is from the LiveGood website. It says, meet our LiveGood team. True leadership creates true success. This is Ben Glinsky. He's our CEO. With over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry, Ben knows how to help people win. But what we love most about Ben is that he leads by example. His focus is on helping others, and that's the only reason that LiveGood was created. He says, people need nutritional supplements to be healthy. Unfortunately, most people just can't afford them. On top of that, it's very difficult for many people to sell expensive products to friends just so a few people at the top of a compensation program can make money. Now people can get the products they need at prices they can afford and can be proud to share them with friends. When Ben's not changing the world through his businesses, you can find him coaching his kids' soccer teams, snowboarding with his family and friends, mountain biking, fishing, surfing, and just enjoying life. All right, so for some of you might remember Skinny Body Care, which was a huge company a few years ago, and Ben Glinsky was behind that too. That company ended up being sold to Valentis, and the products are still in existence today. So this guy's a great guy. He knows what he's doing. He's a genius when it comes to marketing and the nutritional world. So he's our CEO. Ryan Goodkin is the director of product development. Says with a doctorate in pharmacy from Palm Beach Atlantic University and a degree in science and nutrition from Florida State University, Ryan has a unique background of being both a natural health practitioner as well as a pharmacist. What's even more impressive about Ryan than even his incredible experience is the way he's been able to take what he has learned and use it to maximize both his own health as well as help so many others. While there are a lot of supplements on the market and several very high quality supplement companies, Ryan only recommends the products he believes are best for his patients. But there have been two main challenges. One, the high quality supplements can be very expensive and many people can't afford to spend hundreds of dollars a month. And two, many of the products he has been using and recommending could actually be formulated even better. That means adding some ingredients, removing ingredients, changing amount of ingredients, or using different forms of raw materials. That's how LiveGood was born. As director of product development, along with the research and brainpower of our incredible manufacturers and formulators, Ryan has hand formulated each and every one of the LiveGood products utilizing only the highest quality ingredients harvested from the purest sources around the globe. He says, I don't create products to sell, I create products to use and for my family to use. There is no way I'm going to let my family put something in their body that I don't trust 100%. That's why I started LiveGood. I formulated every product. I know exactly what is in them, and I would not go a day without them. And folks, I'm telling you right now, I've been into health for a long time. Like many of you know, I'm a vegan, so these products are vegan, which I love. I'm actually drinking the liquid aminos once again, the fruit punch flavored, and just me being honest, not trying to sell you anything, but being 100% honest with you, is that these products are far better tasting and have higher quality ingredients in them and more ingredients in them than the stuff that I was previously buying. All right. And the stuff that I was buying, a lot of it was more than double the price that I'm paying for this, and it was for half of the amount. Okay. So a bottle of the Super Beets, like I was saying the other day, it's $18 for a 30-day supply. All right? These liquid aminos, it's a 30-day supply that you're getting. You're not paying $30 for, a 15-day supply, like at the health food store. The Super Greens I looked at our health food store the other day, it was $30 for a 15-day supply. You can get our Super Greens, a 30-day supply, for $18. All right? And it's just far better. They're organic, vegan, they're keto friendly, they're gluten free. They're just awesome products, 100% awesome products. And that's why I'm passionate about this, and that's why I've committed to promoting this moving forward. All right, and then here we go. We have Lisa Goodkin. All right, this is Ryan's wife, and she's the director of product education. When it comes to living a healthy lifestyle, Lisa not only teaches people how to maximize their health and wellness, she lives it. From the healthy foods she intentionally chooses to cook, eat, and feed her family, to the way she designs her fitness routine for herself, her clients, and her family. Lisa focuses on minimizing stress and maximizing productivity and loves spending time outdoors with her family. Lisa is a living example of what is possible when we make the decision to give our bodies what they need. While it's important to have leaders who live what they teach, it's Lisa's passion for helping others that truly makes her so special. With a master's degree in exercise physiology, a degree in science and nutrition, and over 20 years of experience in the health and wellness industry, Lisa knows what works and what doesn't work for people of all levels of health and fitness. Her commitment to helping people understand how their bodies work and what can make them perform at peak levels is exactly why we are beyond proud and blessed to have her as our Director of Product Education. If you're not currently following Lisa on social media, you are missing out. Be sure to add her for valuable free tips, education, and exciting adventures. While Lisa is a bit of a health nut, she will never miss out on a glass of wine with friends, birthday cake with her amazing kiddos, cliff jumping with her husband, chasing her dogs around the yard, or any other opportunity to have fun. She truly is an amazing person, and we are so excited that she is such an important part of the LiveGood team. And then, finally, we have Nauder Khazan. He's the Director of Network Marketing. A legend in the network marketing industry, Nauder has coached, trained, and helped thousands of people be better, do better, and achieve more than they ever thought they could. Nauder is a true leader and friend to everyone. Since 1998, Nauder has been a top leader, income earner, coach, trainer, consultant, and company owner for some of the most successful companies in the network marketing industry. Very few people on the planet have the resume that Nauder does when it comes to network marketing. But what truly separates Nauder from other top earners and company owners in the industry is his heart and humility. It doesn't matter what a person's background is, how long they have been in the company, or their level of success. If they have the desire, Nauder is always available to help them, even if they are promoting a different business or company. Nauder's leadership goes far beyond and far deeper than just the network marketing industry. He donates thousands of hours every year to ministry and to helping underprivileged kids and families create a better life for themselves. When we say Nauder has a passion for helping others, his actions speak for themselves. He is a true servant leader. When Nauder is not building businesses or consulting with other leaders and companies, his time is spent doing what he loves with people that he loves. Along with his wife Melissa and 5 amazing kids, Nauder enjoys spending time with his family serving others. So, folks, that is our team here. These are the people that are behind LiveGood. And I must say that it's a breath of fresh air to see these folks behind this company. All right? For many different reasons. I mean, just like Nauder being a servant and helping people even if they're in a different company, I know for a fact that you can reach out to Lisa and ask her any question about health and she's going to write back to you. Ryan, he's not only a pharmacist, but he's a natural health practitioner. And then Ben, who is just a genius when it comes to the network marketing world and marketing and designing systems and our Powerline system, okay? A lot of the big companies out there today have used Ben to design their systems for them, okay? So this is just, folks, I mean, I'm going to keep doing videos, but I don't know what you need to see or what more proof you need that this is the place to be in 2023. If you're serious about getting yourself healthy, all right? And again, I'm taking these products. I've been taking them every single day since my order came in last week. I bought the hat, as you all know if you watch my videos. I got the t-shirt that I'm wearing in every video that I make. And I'm just going to promote this because not only do I believe in the products, I know they're high quality, but the people behind this company are great people, and it's just the place to be in 2023. I mean, how cool is it to know that you are promoting a product that is actually going to help somebody and that they can afford, okay? So I just can't, we're just so blessed to have this company. It was something I was looking for going into the new year. You know, I had taken a couple months off after I gotten sick with COVID, and I just wanted to sit back and reflect on my marketing journey that I've had over the last 16 years. And even in the past, I had looked for products or companies that were all vegan, and I just never found anything. And then sure enough, one day, somebody had bought a solo ad off of me, and I clicked their link to make sure that it was legit, and it took me to LiveGood. And as soon as I watched the video, I signed right up. There was no hesitation. I joined right away. So if you have any questions about this, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm also helping people who join under us. I have a team rotator link that I'm driving traffic to every day, and I will keep you in the team rotator link until you rank up to bronze, which means you get 2 personal enrollees, and that unlocks different levels in the matrix and the bonuses and all that. So If you're interested in learning more about this awesome opportunity, then click the link down in the description box. You'll be taken over to a page that looks just like this. It's going to say, welcome to Russ Fi's website. You can watch this short video right here. And if it's something that you're interested in, just put in your first name, last name, email, and click reserve my position now. This company is a 2x15 force matrix. All right, so you're going to get paid fast start bonuses. But then we have a matrix where you're going to earn 2.5% of everyone in your matrix. And the matrix is filling up fast, all right? There's only a few thousand people that have joined so far, and the owners are saying that in the next couple of years, there are going to be several million. So there's no better time to join this right now. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I always appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. And if you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I greatly appreciate it. It helps me out. And I'm looking forward to working with you and helping you out. So that's it for this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. And until then, stay safe, be well, and peace be with you.